Good morning, children. Dear students, always remember that every problem has a solution and every child has a talent. May in this coming year you work hard to solve all the problems you come across because you are a special child of God. Wishing you a very happy new year. Children, today we are going to learn new chapter, that is geometry. So already you have learned this chapter in your previous class, that is class 4th. So you are having basic knowledge about this chapter. We will learn deeply from this chapter in present class, that is 5th standard. So let's start our first topic, that is angles. What is angle? The question arises, what is angles when two rays meet at a point? When two rays meet at a point, it forms an angle. If you will see this diagram or this figure, you will get it. That when two rays, that rays OB and ray OA, when they meet at this point, on point O, it forms an angle. Which angle? Angle BOA or angle AOB. We can read this angle in two ways, BOA or AOB. O will be common. Why? Because O क्या तुम्हारा angle है, इसलिए O will be common. So now we will see the parts of this angle. So first we will see this rays. These rays are called as arms of an angle. OB and OA are called as arms of an angle. And when they are meeting with this point O, this point is called as vertex. This point is called as vertex. This O is called as vertex. Okay, children? Now how we will read this? We will read angle BOA or angle AOB. We can write it as two types. One, angle ANGLE. If you want, you can write it, or we can use this symbol. This symbol is called as symbol of angle. Angle BOA or angle AOB. Okay? Got it? How to read these angles? If you will have many angles, will you read? Yes. How easy it is? You have to keep this in mind, that you have to keep this O, because O is our angle, vertex. Okay, so you have to keep this O in middle. Okay, so how we will learn? How we will read this? We will read like this, BOA or angle AOB. Got it? So we can proceed with next topic, that is our how to measure, not how to measure angles. Okay, we'll see. So children, before starting next topic, let me explain you this. What is this? This is called as protector. Now take out your geometry box and take out like this half circle. It is there in your geometry box, and this is called as protector. What is this? This is called as protector. And with the help of this protector, we will measure angles, and unit will be degree. Okay, so now let me explain. If you will see, you will observe that there are two types of scales are there in protector. So first, outer part is called a outer scale, and inner part is called a inner scale. Okay, and you will see one line here down. You will see one line that is called a baseline, and here one middle point is there, midpoint, that is called a center. That is called a center. Okay, so now what is the use of this protractor? Why two scales are there? That we will see while measuring the angles. Okay, so let's start. So here as an example I have drawn one angle. Okay, now we have to find out the measurement of this angle. Okay, so let's start. So how to measure? First take protractor and place the baseline. What is the baseline? This is called a baseline, where you have to place along one of the arms of the angles. We will place here, because here we are getting the, means you have to place where? On the vertex. Okay, where is your vertex? This side is your vertex? No, where you are getting? You are getting here. B is your vertex. So we will place here on the vertex. Okay, how? On the vertex of the angle we have placed, and baseline should be on the this arm. Which arm? On arm BC, on rays BC. Okay, now see, look at the scale where the arm BC along the baseline point to 2.0. If you will see where you are getting 0.0, here 0 point means inner scale, means we have to use which scale? Inner. If you are getting the 0.0 along the baseline, so that scale you have to use. So 0 point we are getting here means in inner scale, so we will use inner scale. Okay, now we'll check. Now read the measures on this scale where the other arms crosses it. So we will see here, that is 60. This is called 60 degree. It means what is the measure of this angle? That is 60 degree, and we will write here the measure of angle ABC is equal to 60 degree. We can read as like that also, the measure of angle CBA is equal to 60 degree. Okay, now we will see the next example. Now here we will see उल्टा angle it is there. आपको क्या दिख रहा है? एंगल कैसा है? बिल्कुल भी उल्टा है. Now how to measure? Where we have to place a protractor? Here. Is it correct? It is? No. According to our rule, where we have to place? On the vertex. Where is your vertex? E is your vertex. Okay. So same on the baseline. It should be on the this arm on vertex. We have placed. Okay. And see which scale we have to use. We have to use where we will get a 0. It should be 2 point. Which point? Line point to 0 degree. Here means in outer scale we are getting the 0 degree. Means we will follow which scale? Outer scale. Okay. It means this one. So it is 60 degree. What is the measure of this angle? 60 degree. So the measure of angle DEF or FED is equal to 60 degree. Got it, children? How to measure of how to measure angles? Okay. So hope this both the topic is clear for you all. Still, if you are having any doubt, you can call me or you can send your doubts on my personal WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a nice day.